Hello and good morning to all the students of class 2. Welcome children for today's class. We are back with our grammar study now with the chapter number 9, simple present tense. So before we start learning about what is simple present tense, we need to learn about what is tense. And I hope you remember about tense because you have learned in your previous classes, maybe LKG, UKG and class 1, something about tense. So let me now tell you about tense. Tense is something that shows time, and there are three types of tenses in English grammar: present tense, past tense and future tense. Now present tense tells you about what is happening presently, and past tense tells us about what has already happened. Present tense tells us about what is going to take place in the future. Now under every tense there are four types of tenses, like under present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. So today we are going to learn about the first type of tense under present tense is simple present tense. Let me now tell you about what is this simple present tense. The present simple tense is used to talk about an action which is happening now or something which happens on a regular basis. We use the present simple tense to talk about daily routines and activities and about some general truths. Now, for example, daily routines and activities, like what am I doing now? I am taking a class for class 2. Now, what is the example of a general truths? General truths are like the sun rises in the east. Okay, the cow gives milk. All these are general truths which cannot be changed. Okay, they remain the same. Now, before we get into the warm-up exercises here, students, we need to learn about how do we frame sentences of simple present tense and what are the rules regarding simple present tense. Now, in order to learn about simple present tense, we need to learn about the first person singular nouns, second person singular nouns, third person singular nouns and plural nouns plus some action verb, and then we will learn about how to frame negative sentences in simple present tense and interrogative sentences in simple present tense. So let's now learn something about how do we frame sentences with the first person singular. See here, the words like I is the first person singular noun, you is the second person singular noun, he, she and it, these are third person singular nouns. Now let's take an action verb like eat. Okay, action verb is eat. Now the rules here, with the first person singular noun, when we frame a sentence with the action verb here, it becomes I eat. Okay, I eat. Second person singular, you eat. There is no change. Okay, now when we come to the third person singular nouns, he, she and it, there is a change. With the action verb we use S or ES. See here, S or ES with the action verb. He eats, S. She eats, S. It eats, S. Now the second action verb, let me take teach. Okay, teach. To see the difference between S or ES, I teach, you teach. When it comes to the third person singular noun, he teaches, ES. Okay, she teaches, ES. Now it cannot teach because it comes for animals or some non-living things, so it cannot be used with a teach word. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, students. Now let me tell you about how to frame sentences with a plural nouns, like plural nouns like, see, this is plural nouns. We. Okay, we. First person plural noun is we. we teach. Same action verb. We teach, we eat. Now, second person plural is you remains the same for the here second person singular and second person plural you remains the same as you, and there is no rules for you. So how do we make sentence with the action verb teach? You teach, you eat. Now third person plural is they. They teach. Here also there is no rules are followed. Okay, they teach, they eat. So I hope this is clear to you, students. So let's now quickly go to the warm up exercise. Now warm up exercise is here. Complete the story using the words given in the box. Now some words are given in this box. You have to read this story and fill up the blanks with the words given in the box. Shyam is a farmer. He is the third person singular. So now find out a word here. As per the sentence, he blank on his farm. He lives on his farm. Yes, students, he lives on his farm. Now he has lots of animals. All the animals help Shyam. The cows gives milk. The hen lays eggs. The dog guards his farm. Shyam blank his grain in the market. Shyam sells his grain in the market. He blank his grain on a cart. He takes his grain on a cart. The horse pulls the cart. Okay, this is the way you have to fill up the blanks. Now let's proceed. All the words that you filled in are action words. As I told you, action words. Okay, now these action words tell us about actions that we do every day. Now we use the simple present tense to talk about action that we do every day. See here now. Read the table to understand the use of the simple present tense with a singular and plural nouns and pronouns. See here, I already explained it to you. Nouns and pronouns and simple present tense. Like for example, the cow gives us milk. She sings. He plays. It chirps. Cows gives us milk. We drink milk. They talk loudly. You eat dinner early. I play badminton every evening. Now, next exercise is take the correct option. The dog barks or barks. Which is the correct option, students? The dog barks. Okay, dog is third person. Okay, singular. So barks. The girls draw or draws. The girls is the third person plural. So the girls draw. Okay. He uses color pencils. He is the third person singular. So which is the option? He uses color pencils. He uses color pencils. Teachers teach or teachers in the class. Teachers teach in the class. They work or works hard. They work hard. I like or likes bird. I like. The phone ring or rings. The phone rings. Lion roar or roars. Lions roar. Because they are plural forms. Now, take the correct verb and write in the blankets. Now, Ali blank play or plays in the rain. Ali plays in the rain. He blank the cool water falling on him. He likes the cool water falling on him. Now, paper boards. Okay, to make he wants to make paper boards. He also wants to play with his friends. He does not like to stop playing. Ali's mother calls him inside. She says, please do not get wet. Now, rewrite these sentences using he or she in place of highlighted word. Make other changes like I play football. Rewrite the sentences using he or she in place of the highlighted word. In the place of I, you are to use he or she. So, how will you replace I? She plays football. She plays football. Or he plays football. I brush my teeth every morning. He brushes. Okay, he brushes his. Okay, instead of his teeth. His teeth every morning. You get up late every day. She gets up late every day. I learn to ride in school. She learns to ride in school. I wear glasses. He wears glasses. You sing well. She sings well. Okay, students, that's it for today. See you in the next class. I hope this is understood by you. Please go through this chapter once again. Try to understand how to frame sentences of simple present tense. So see you in the next class, students. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.